Brett and I are on a break again, and we're going to ignore this gnarly sunburn, okay? Welcome back to week 1, day 2 of our deep dive on our low carb plus high protein diet. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Ellie, what is a low carb diet? Well, let me tell you, babes. A low carbohydrate, also known as low carb diet, is a way of eating that reduces your carbohydrate intake, particularly from grains, such as all the really yummy stuff like breads, pastas, rice, cereal, sugars, things we crave all the time, like sodas, sweets, pastries, and starchy vegetables like potatoes, corn, peas. But instead, it likes to focus on these things, like lean proteins, your chicken, your turkey, your eggs, your fish, healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and your non-starchy vegetables, leafy greens, broccoli, zucchini, cauliflower, and depending on the level of your restriction, low carb diets can range from moderate, which is about 100 to 150 grams of carbs per day, to very low, such as keto, which is less than 50 grams a day. But why should we limit our carbs? Well, carbohydrates, especially refined ones, are broken down into the glucose, your sugar, in your body, which raises your blood sugar levels, which then triggers release of insulin. A diet that is high in carb leads to blood sugar spikes and crashes, increased hunger and cravings. And this one's a doozy, your fat storage, especially around the abdominal region. By lowering your carb intake, blood sugars are going to stay a lot more stable. Your insulin levels are going to decrease. Hunger is going to reduce, especially cravings for things that we really like sugars and snacks. How is this supportive on our GLP-1? Great question. You know, if you're on meds like Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, all of those meds mimic our natural hormone. So it slows down your digestion, the gastric emptying, increases the feeling of fullness, and reduces your appetite, helps regulate your blood sugar, and a low carb diet amplifies all of these effects. It keeps those glucose levels steady, reducing your blood sugar spikes that the meds would otherwise need to control it. Also reducing your cravings, which complements it very well. Also improves your insulin sensitivity to your body, so it stores less fat and it burns more efficiently. And if you think this is the diet for you, I will see you tomorrow for day 3.